Did you know someone once sold the Eiffel Tower twice? In 1925, Victor Lustig pulled off the most audacious con in history. He posed as a French government official, created fake letterhead, told scrap metal dealers the Eiffel Tower was being torn down due to maintenance costs. Lustig held secret meetings at luxury hotels, made it seem official, government business. He studied his targets carefully, picked André Poisson, a dealer desperate to fit in with Paris high society. Lustig told Poisson he could guarantee him the contract, for a price. Poisson paid a massive bribe. Lustig vanished to Austria with the money. But here's the crazy part. Months later, Lustig came back to Paris, tried the exact same scam again. He spent years running cons across Europe and America, counterfeiting money, swindling millionaires. The FBI finally caught him in 1935, but Lustig had already cemented his legend, the man who convinced people he owned the Eiffel Tower and sold it twice.